Okay, so in this video we're going to take a look at adding some chords. We're going to use our Silent. We're going to create a basic synth. We'll initialize the preset, put our voices to +8, put our D chin up, take our retrig off, put a low pass filter on, and we'll turn our polyphony up because we're doing chords. And I'm going to turn the delays down on the vocals and put them on the group channel just to keep things simpler. And we're going to work firstly on the chorus. I know what the verse is. The verse is just a straight D minor. So the chorus we can play about and try and come up with something. We're going to put our click on, and then we're just going to play around with some chords. So we know the root note's D minor, and I have sort of a basic idea of the chord structure, and we've got a couple of variations we'll try. So I'll play the first variation and then we'll look at the second one.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you. Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
So that's the first variation, and we'll have a look at the notes. Just hit Apple and U there to quantize, and we've got a D minor, going down to a C, C major, down to an A sharp major or B flat, and then back up to a C major, and then back up to our D minor.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
And the other option of a chords, I'll play it in for you now. The same chords, just moving at slightly different speed.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you. Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
So in the second example, it's slightly different in that we are moving through the chords a bit quicker, and on the second part of the chorus, we're back to that root note. So I'll quantize that.
Love is a hurricane.
And I'll actually drop down. I played the low notes a wee bit higher than in the first example, so we'll drop them down to the bass.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
So we can keep both examples and play about with them and see which one sort of works better in our track and what one is easier to come up with a nice riff for. And I'll just tidy these up while we're here just to make sure all the length ends are good. Another way we can do this is if we go into our quantize settings and just quantize our ends, put them to quarters, hit U, then it should quantize them all for us.
Love is a hurricane and washes away.
And we'll go in and do the same with this.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
And we'll play the first one again, see what the difference is.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
So there's some bits are nice in one and some bits are nice in the other. It's nice the way in the second one that the second part hits back onto this note. It sounds sort of quite powerful. And the drop here during the first part is quite nice as well.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you. Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain, and everything I do for you.
So we might even be able to keep both examples. So I'll put them as chords 1 and chords 2. And we have a whole load of examples that we'll be able to show you different chord structures. We've done a lot about chords in some of the other tutorials, especially the main room house if you want to check that out. And we'll be including the chord examples from the previous trance tutorial in this tutorial as well. So that's us for chords. So the last chord we need to make is just the chords for the verse, and we're going to rename this verse, and basically all it is the first note held.
Love is a hurricane.
So we can stretch it out and we can delete all the other notes. Just stretch this out for a couple of bars.
Love is a hurricane and washes away the pain.
And we'll hear that with just our verse.
Don't wake me if I'm dreaming. Don't wake me if I'm dreaming. Don't wake me if I'm dreaming.
And we can take the lip off.
Don't wake me if I'm dreaming. I wanna stay so far away. If the morning comes too early, don't call me back too soon.
So that's going to work in our sort of driving bits of our track where we need a sort of bit of vocal to sort of to drive it along, and as well in the breakdown. So in the next video we're going to start adding our drums and bass and sort of getting our backing moving along.